This is a mobile exhibition. What you are seeing, we are saying this is a space on wheels. It has got various exhibits of different launch vehicles, about different satellites, about the trajectory, how interplanetary missions are followed. Just an idea to spread about the Indian space program, an idea to give to the students or to the public what we are doing in general. We say it is a space on wheels because we have an exhibition at Outreach Center GD Metla here at Hyderabad, but then everybody cannot come to our exhibition places, mostly rural areas or government schools. So we take this bus to the rural areas, to the villages, to the government schools who have the conveyance problem or they are not able to come to Hyderabad. We take it to Telangana, we take it all across the country also. We have regional centers all across the India which are reporting to NRSC, like we have in Jodhpur, we have in West we have at Jodhpur, in East we have at Kolkata, South we have at Bangalore, then Nagpur and Delhi. So they cover all across the India. This mobile bus goes through them, it goes all through the country and goes to the people to spread an awareness. Everybody should know what it is all about. I'll just give you a glimpse of the exhibits here. You can just cover these exhibits. Okay, we have the launch vehicles. Like in the Indian space program, basically we can categorize into launch vehicles and the satellites. Launch vehicles, we have SLVs, that is satellite launch vehicle, then advanced satellite launch vehicles, ASLVs, then PSLV, GSLV Mark II and GSLV Mark III. PSLV is the most robust, which we say workhorse, which we use to launch most of the polar satellites. Then GSLV Mark II and Mark III. Mark III is the latest one, we say Bahubali or the Fat Boy, which is also used to launch Chandrayaan 2, which was used to launch Chandrayaan 2. You can see it has got cryogenic engine, which is indigenously developed. It's a very efficient fuel combination, which gives a lot of boost to the heavier satellites to take to a height of 36,000 kilometers. Satellites, so we have all the launch vehicles. At this side, these are the two launch pads. All the satellites are launched from Sriharikota. It's a launch pad of India. So we have two launch pads here to show students how the fully assembled launch vehicle with the satellite comes from the assembly and you are seeing it erect into the launch pad. You are seeing we have different types of satellites here, like we have AstroSat for astronomical studies, we have Oceanosat for oceanography, doing the oceanographic studies. With the Indian space program, we study space, we study atmosphere and climate, we study different features on the land, maybe it land use, land cover, forestry, agriculture, groundwater, we have Fasal, national crop insurance, all these Manrega projects, all that, groundwater prospects, mineralogy. So we study all the features on the land. We also study oceanographic studies. So we have satellites for different purposes. We are seeing here AstroSat, OceanSat, and RISat also. RISat is an active satellite which works which has got a radar and works in the microscopic region. Then you are seeing here Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan trajectories, how the satellites were sent to the moon or to the Mars, like that elongated orbits you are seeing here. We have got IRNSS, that is Navik, for a navigational purpose. It is also, it is giving 5 centimeter locational accuracy apart from GPS, add-on to GPS. So that also you are seeing here, IRNSS, Navik, all those things. GSAT Mark III model is there. In different type of videos are played, educational videos to educate the students. Basically, this space on wheels is for the rural areas and government schools. Normally what we do, हम लोग जैसे रूरल एरियाज में जाते हैं तो वी टॉक टू देम. हम लोग के यहाँ पे जैसे आपका NCERT है, वैसे यहाँ पे SCERT है तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट का, तो उनके साथ हमारा कोलैबोरेशन है. उनसे हम बात करके डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्कूल में डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर्स रहते हैं, उनसे बात करके हम रूरल एरियाज में लेके जाते हैं, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में ले जाते हैं. 2-3 दिन रहती भी है व्हीकल वहाँ पे, ताकि आसपास के सब बच्चे पब्लिक है, बच्चे हैं, वो आके इसको देख सकते हैं. हम लोग हमारा स्टाफ जाता है जो उनको एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है. वी हैव सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनिंग videos also to spread an awareness, basically to spread an awareness about Indian space program among all the students and public in general.